Good morning to everyone. My name is G. Karthik. I am from second year mechanical. Today my topic is problem on complex variables and probability statistics. First of all, in a certain town, 40% brown hair, 25% having eyes and 50% having both brown ears and brown eyes. A person is selected at a random from a town. If in this problem we can identify if has brown hair, the calculated the probability that he has brown eyes also. In second, he has brown eyes, calculated the probability that one does not have brown hair. In this problem we can calculate these two terms. First of all let's define the events first. Let p pb is the event for the person has brown hair. Let let b e is the event that a person have have both brown hair and black hair. Let's find P of E is given by 40% converted into 0.440, and PE have brown eyes. It is converted into given in the problem 25% and converted into 2 0.25, and have in this problem have both eyes and ear have percent given by 15% and converted into 0.5. In first problem we have converted into probability of having brown eyes and brown hair. According to the problem we have formula P of E by B is equals to P of union E by P of E is equals to given in the formula 0.15 by 0.40. Then we can substitute and calculate the percentage of 0.35 is given in the problem A or 1. In second, this is the person not having brown hair. This probability P of E by B is equals to, we want not P by E. We also known P of B intersect E, then 0.15 and converted into P of E 0.25. In the formula we have 1 minus P of B of E is equals to 1 minus P of B by E is equals to given 0.1 by 15. P of E is equals to 0.25 and substitute in their values. Then we have 0.4 or 40%. This is the person not having brown hair. Thank you.